All right, so I just kind of rigged up my camera with some zip ties that I already had readily available. And car's over there. You guys are recording, so I guess watch me do my thing. Be as straight as you possibly can to the car. We want to make sure that we in the car itself. We cannot turn the wheel. I can't even get inside the car, so I'm gonna have to use a lockout kit once I get it back to the shop. But the game plan is to be as straight as possible, because we're gonna snatch that bad boy straight on up, no skates. We ain't on ice. We just gonna make it happen. Ideally, you're gonna want some wood. If I can slide this wood under the tires, I would. I don't have my jack. We gonna make it work. We're a little gangster, but we gonna make it work. What's you good? You good? You gonna be YouTube famous too, man. No, well, yes and no. Yes and no. I got to get a damn 7 too, but then they came out with the 8, and now that shit they out with the 9. I can't keep up. It's like the iPhone thing. Push
Probably a 242. I would go up to like 75, 80. Full speed, so I might even go lower, like 331 or something like that. Yeah, but wait, the turbo's gonna come out fast as fuck. Tell me if you have to do the tires are all up anyway, so. Want to know something in? Yes,
so I told y'all no, but now we're going back to it. We are 15 minutes in. I'm taking my time. Y'all can do this fast. But we needed to come. I needed to come up even. Didn't know that my camera dropped, but 18 minutes 20 seconds in. So quick tips that we could have did, we should have did. I should have put the car in neutral from the bottom, but this particular one did not have a place that I could do it. It's actually the shifter cables on the top, so I couldn't get it into neutral. Typically on the rear wheel drive it'll be on the bottom. Could not get the emergency brake off, of course, and I can't turn the wheel, so that manner adjustment of what you guys saw was just to get it up. It's more ideally to do this with skates because you don't want flat spots within the tires. But I explained to the customer what was up. He said, man, do what you got to do to get it out. They were gonna tow it, so it's better for me to leave a couple of marks than to have them tow it. So we'll get it to the shop, rip it apart whenever he sends the key, and we'll go. But that is how you tow a car or snatch a car up without a snatch truck, without keys, with everything locked up. Your man doing it out here. So questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the comments down below. Visit me at SeasallAuto.com for any of your automotive and towing questions. And like I always say, mi gente, until next time, be promo no beneficio siempre. Peace.